Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. You need an updated macOS and Safari, and you should be signed into the App Store with your Apple ID. Once done, open Safari and choose Safari extensions to load the extensions gallery. You're not installing yet. You're preparing the environment so installs register properly. Make sure to keep Safari running and have a stable network, because the gallery pulls listings and permissions in real time. Now find the extension you want in the Safari Extensions Gallery or App Store. Search by name or function. Click Get or the Price button and authenticate with your Apple ID if prompted. Once it downloads, return to Safari and go to Preferences Extensions. Enable the Extensions checkbox, review requested permissions, and configure options like allowed sites or toolbar behavior. If you want icons visible, customize the toolbar. This step links the installed app to Safari's runtime. Finish by testing the extension on a page where it should act. Make sure features appear and permissions are respected. If something's off, toggle the extension off and on, then restart Safari. This clears session caching. If problems persist, restart your Mac and check for macOS or extension updates, because incompatibilities often cause failures. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the extension from the App Store and contact the developer through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.